Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Preet Brang. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I would be recreating one of the celebrities' look, that is Kajol's look from DDLJ. So this was one of the very popular look in 1990s. तो काजोल ने ये लुक अपनी एक मेहंदी सेरेमनी में पहना था DDLJ में. तो मैंने ये लुक आज क्रिएट किया है आप सब लोगों के लिए. Guys must be knowing that I always love recreating celebrity looks. So today I would be creating Kajol's look and I have tried to keep this look very simple. बहुत ही कम मेकअप यूज़ किया है मैंने, बहुत ही लिमिटेड मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं इस लुक को क्रिएट करने के लिए. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो क्रिएट दिस लुक फॉर एनी फेस्टिव वियर एंड आई नो you guys will nail it, and it is such an easy tutorial. So let's just get started and let me show you guys how I created this look. Also, those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So for the foundation, I am taking Photo Focus foundation, which is my favorite foundation currently, and I would be applying that on my face, and then using a damp beauty blender I would be blending this foundation all over my face. Now for the concealer, I would be taking a Fit Me concealer from Maybelline and I would be applying it on the areas of my face where I have decolorization, little bit of pigmentations, a little bit of scars, and then with the help of damp beauty blender I will be blending them out. After the concealer, I'm going to be taking a loose powder. So I'm taking a loose powder from NYX Cosmetics, applying it, mainly focusing on the areas where I have applied the concealer, like mainly on my under eyes and then nearby my lip area. Now I've already done my eyebrows, which I did not film in this video, so let's quickly move on to our eye makeup. So I'm going to be using a whatever palette from Colourpop, and the first color I'm going to be taking is a Copycat, which is a very subtle, very nude color, and then I would be directly applying it on my eye. The next color which I will be taking is a Pass It On, and then I will be applying it on the outer V of my eye, and then keep blending it out and then mix both the colors together. Now the third and last color which I'm going to be taking is a Not Okay, which is kind of a little glitter, which has kind of little shimmer, and then I will be applying it on the front end of my eyes to complete my eye look. For the mascara, I am taking Legged Lashes mascara from Huda Beauty. I've already pre-curled my eyelashes and now I am applying a mascara. I am not applying any fake eyelashes because I want to keep this look very simple. I am using a Pixi Beauty face palette and I'm going to be using a deepest color from this palette, applying it on the high points of my cheeks, on my jawline, and also a little bit on my nose. For the blush, I'm again using the same face palette from Pixi Beauty, applying this on the apple of my cheeks. I've not used any highlighter because I want to keep this look very natural. So directly jumping into the lipstick, I am using a Mid Cosmetic lipstick in the nude Lala, and another one, the shade Everything is mentioned on the description, so make sure you check it. So that's my look, you guys. Super quick, super easy. Just paired up some jewelry, just paired up with nice outfits. So that's all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this look super simple, super easy, and you can do this look whenever you feel like, for a party, for any particular occasion. And just in case you guys recreate any of my looks, make sure you guys tag me on your pictures on Instagram so I can check them out. So that was all about today's video. I'm gonna catch you guys super soon, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon. I'm gonna catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.